What's up, everybody? I am back with yet another unboxing. I'm going to do several of these today. This shipped from Quemado, New Mexico, all the way to Southern Indiana. My cousin lives in Albuquerque. It's pretty cool. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other ones. I need to start doing more movie reviews. They wrapped this up. It says, thank you so much for your purchase. That's so sweet of you. I'm using my knife, so bear with me. I don't want to cut myself for the product. Don't you hate cutting when they cut the product? Yeah, as always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and please hope that I don't cut myself, because I could. Because, yeah, that's just how I roll. If you want to help support my channel, you can go to rippedapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice. I'm assuming, okay, I think I got it. Find your shirt of choice. Use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code, and you're going to save a few dollars off each and every purchase. So this is, that was a cereal box, a Cheerios box. This is a $25 AMC movie theater gift card. More than likely, I got this for between $15 and $20. Anything I can save is a bonus for me, because it is kind of an unnecessary expense going to the theater, buying popcorn, buying a pop. It is, unnecessary. But if I can save a few dollars here and there, and I use my rewards apps like I recommend you doing, they have free ones, AMC or Cinemark or whatever, definitely get those, and you get points and you can get free stuff. Like I have a free popcorn chilling for my birthday. So I definitely recommend getting the rewards app and trying to save money, getting gift cards off eBay, which is what I do all the time. Thanks a lot for watching. I wish you the best, and let me know some of your favorite movies. Have a great day.